Hi, it's Darnell with Whale of Recipes, and sometimes you want to do baking in a basket air fryer and the tops always get overdone. So I think I may have come up with a way to resolve that type of an issue. I've done some baking in an earlier video that I put out with some almond flour brownies that turned out pretty decent, but a real test would be to redo the almond flour chocolate chip cookies that I did in the basket air fryers and came out really messy looking. So going to be using the caloric 8-quart basket air fryer and cooking up the almond flour chocolate chip cookies again, using the method that may help to prevent things from getting overcooked on the top. If it works with them and things look good with that, then we know that it's definitely a winner for baking in basket air fryers and something that basically everybody can use to be able to bake efficiently in basket air fryers. So let's get cooking right now. Alright, so I'm going to cut to the chase here. Got the recipe on the screen, but already got cookie dough all made up. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this little like trivet. This is from like pressure cooker type of trivet. Just putting that in there on the flat bottom without the little wire trivet that, well, the kind of hole trivet that comes with the air fryer. I'll show you what we'll do with that in a moment. So the trivet from like the pressure cooker that I put in there, you can get like any type of wire type of trivet from the store and put it in there. But it's going to hold my pan. I'm going to be putting the cookies on this pan and kind of having it elevated. I'm going to use this thing here in a moment. I'll show you how I'm going to use that. But for now, I'm just going to get my cookies laid out into this pan here. Alright, so it's kind of close quarters for my cookies here, so I only made 10 instead of 12, but this recipe can make a dozen, and I've done that in plenty of other videos. But you see them here in the pan. Now I'm putting it in. The trivet kind of has ridges at the top, so I guess the pan is kind of even. It's kind of even. I thought it would be a little, just slightly uneven, but it seems to be even in there now. Now I take this cover that comes with the, well really this is the bottom of the air fryer basket normally that came with the air fryer, the trivet that comes with the air fryer when you buy it. I'm putting that over the bake pan. So pressing that down over the bake pan so it's flush over the bake pan to give some cover. So basically close up, and let's see if I can give you a better view. Sorry about that. See, yeah, have a better view there. So basically going to do a 325 for 15 minutes. So just going to bring the time down to 15 minutes real quick, and we'll let that cook and see how things turn out. And I'll bring you back in 15 minutes. So I let things go the full 15 minutes untouched. And so just going to let it do its quick cool down sequence. This doesn't take long, and then we'll start getting things out, see how things look, see if this all worked out as hoped. And so got a knife here. I'm going to have to use it to kind of help me get the little trivet out of there. Sorry about that beeping, but let's see. Kind of got to get the trivet up, try not to burn myself in the process. Alright, got that up, and going to get it out the way. Sorry, I tapped the camera trying to get that out, but the cookies look good. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to set them to the side, let things cool down a bit. Look at that. Alright, so giving them some time to cool down. They're still kind of warm, but they look way better than the ones that were done in the initial review where I didn't use that cover method. I mean, those, if you remember them, look pretty bad, but if you haven't seen the initial review, be sure to check it out. And there's like over 800 videos on this channel, well over 50 different types of cooker reviews, so there's plenty here to check out. But for the basket air fryers, it's always been a bone of contention for me to have to deal with baking and having problems. But I think we have resolved that issue, and things are firm, so they're well done. I'm going to try and get a couple out here, so let me see what I can do. Yeah, this one here, that one, you see the bottom, you see the top. So not bad for a basket air fryer, in my opinion. Not bad at all. So I'll get this other one here out, see if I can lift it off. So see the bottom, you see the top. Well, let me get this spatula out of my hand. See the top, see the bottom. So let's go ahead and do a taste test. So thank God for some air fryer cookies that look decent, and let's taste. Alright, the method works. Confirmed. A way to do baking in an air fryer effectively. A basket air fryer. So, let me swallow. I still have a little bit in my mouth. But basically, you can use this method. I hope it helps you out in your basket air frying. There's basically no need to worry with basket air fryers that you can't bake. You can. You just have to use a little bit of adjustment, and you can, and do it effectively. So it works out really good. This is the second thing that I've baked using this method, and it all works out good. So basket air fryers working out good for baking. And so nothing in this video is sponsored. Nobody gave me anything. Basically, if you did like this video, in the video description there are lots of ways to help the channel, such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop. You can always go to my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com, and you can also give the video a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.